Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmons Essentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Ricordi knot. This is the Italian word for memories. So let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. This is my right side. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to put a dimple in. Put it down at the belt line as usual. There we have this. Come around like so. And then you're going to come down like this. We're going to come around like this. And bring it up through here like so. Down and around like that. And then across. Come across here like this. Tighten that up. Just have this down here. And there you have it. So again, put your collar down. And there you have the Ricordi. Again, oh no, style my friends, you're fiercely wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video.